Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you if any application is available for your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95 headphones. So the answer is yes. The application for these headphones is available, and this application is called BANG OLUFSEN. Let me show you this application in the Play Store. At first we have to enter Play Store, and here, as you can see, we have to set up biometrics, so we have to do a shortcut and go to settings and to Bluetooth here. Now we have set up this info icon and here BANG OLUFSEN. As you can see, here we do have our application, and in the Play Store this application is called BANG OLUFSEN. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.